She is solely handling भोपाल's leading jewelry brand, जिसकी शुरुआत हुई साल 2009 में। आज हम मिलने वाले हैं उसकी ब्यूटीफुल फाउंडर से, गुंजन अरोड़ा मैम।
Thanks for having me. Thanks for giving me this opportunity.
How does it begin?
Any of our family member wanted any jewelry, so we always used to go to the metro cities. Like we used to go to Delhi, Bombay, and we always found this thing missing in Bhopal.
कितने challenges आए?
After my marriage, we started AG's almost after 5 years of my marriage. So earlier, of course, family responsibilities, then child. So gradually, although everyone was very supportive of the idea, because we knew this is what Bhopal lacks. Let's have this in Bhopal.
A woman handling a business. So how did you maintain that balance?
It's very difficult. You can ask any entrepreneur, any CEO, a female one. It is difficult, but it is just how you prioritize. Just follow your instincts and do whatever you want to do. Don't have guilt. Just follow your passion.
But how did you handle brides की मम्मा और brides की bestie?
All thanks to social media. Everyone has a preconceived notion. I want this. This is how I want to look.
So you have to handle everything according to the preferences of the client.
We always go according to the client's preference. We never force our choices on them. We just let the client be like themselves.
Hey everyone, welcome back again to one of the captivating episodes of Captive Senses. मैं हूँ आपकी होस्ट नयन और आज फिर से एक बार लेकर आ गई हूँ भोपाल की एक ऐसी पर्सनालिटी की स्टोरी जिसकी ज्वेलरी, जिनका ब्रांड आज भोपाल के हर घर में अपने इमोशंस के साथ अपनी चीज़ों और अपने प्यारे से सेगमेंट को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है। आज हम उनकी जर्नी को देखने वाले हैं, किस तरीके से उन्होंने अपनी लाइफ में अपने हर्डल्स और अपने चैलेंजेस को फेस किया, लेकिन विद अ स्माइल, विद अ पॉजिटिव माइंडसेट, शी हैज रन इट ऑल। शी इज सोली हैंडलिंग भोपाल्स लीडिंग ज्वेलरी ब्रांड, जिसकी शुरुआत हुई साल 2009 में, जब उन्होंने एक सपना देखा कि उन्हें इमोशंस को लोगों के दिल तक पहुंचाना है। जी हाँ, मैं बात कर रही हूँ हम सभी के फेवरेट एंड वन ऑफ द टॉप लीडिंग ब्रांड्स, ज्वेलरी ब्रांड्स ऑफ भोपाल, एजीज की। आज हम मिलने वाले हैं उसकी ब्यूटीफुल फाउंडर से और जानने वाले हैं उनकी डिज़ाइन के पीछे की इंस्पिरेशन को। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम, let me just welcome the most beautiful and the most fearless founder of AG's Jewelry, Gunjan Arora ma'am. Thank you so much for your time, and we are so delighted to have you.
Thanks for having me. Thanks for giving me this opportunity.
And I am sure that today's episode is gonna be the most luxurious, the most fun, captivating episode with you, because because we will be showing your journey, how you started AG's and how this brand is becoming not only in Bhopal the leading brand but across India.
Thank you.
So let's start. And जैसे कि आपने अपने सफ़र की शुरुआत करी year 2009 में.
Yes.
And when you dream that you want to open a jewelry studio and you want to be a jewelry designer, so how does it begin? और भोपाल में आज ये एक टॉप लीडिंग ज्वेलरी ब्रांड्स में ये नाम आता है। So how's the experience? How did it begin?
So actually it all started like when I got married in Bhopal. That time also, like whenever, if any of our family member wanted any jewelry, so we always used to go to the metro cities. Like we used to go to Delhi, Bombay, and we always found this thing missing in Bhopal. So that is how this idea came into our mind. Like, why not Bhopal has such kind of place where people can actually buy good jewelry. So why does every time there is any occasion in the family, everyone has to run to Delhi or Mumbai? So that is how this idea came to our mind, and from there we started, and then that's the journey now we are following.
Amazing. So, being a woman entrepreneur and जब आपने ये idea start, आपको जब ये idea आया कि I want to build my own jewelry brand, so क्या चीज़ों का सामना आपको करना पड़ा, कितने challenges आए?
Although I would be very honest, there were not many of the challenges, but of course we took our time. Like after my marriage, we started AGs almost after 5 years of my marriage. So earlier, of course, family responsibilities, then child. So gradually, although everyone was very supportive of the idea, because we knew this is what Bhopal lacks. Let's have this in Bhopal. But with time, I took my time and planned. So, and of course, then to find the good location, and then then there is investment. So everything fell into place, and then the journey began.
Very nice. And your journey is an inspiration for all the women, those who are watching you today on our channel. And life में भी बहुत सारे hurdles आपने face किए हैं, because being a sole entrepreneur and a woman handling family, a woman handling a business. So how did you maintain that balance?
Actually, you have to prioritize. It's very difficult. You can ask any entrepreneur, any CEO, a female one. It is difficult. But it is just how you prioritize. So I would just say कि don't have any guilt inside you. Just follow your instincts and do whatever you want to do. Don't have guilt. Just follow your passion. Everything will be unlocked. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, that's the only advice
That's the mantra which you are following from the
Follow
start.
your passion. Follow your passion.
And I think this is the most important thing which a girl or any person who is starting with their new journeys in their career, profession or business. So this is the thing which they need to keep in mind कि भाई अपना एक passion मत छोड़ो, because passion भी कभी-कभी profession में develop हो जाता है.
Yes, definitely.
That is the one.
To always find love in your work.
And I guess this is the most important thing, because when you start liking your work, so automatically the things are into place.
Yes, very true.
That's so amazing. आप एक jewelry designer हैं. You design emotions for so many occasions in the life of people. And especially when it comes to Shadi ka season.
Yes.
So it's going to be a tough task for you, because you handle so many brides. Not only brides, but brides की mama, brides की bestie, and brides के relatives as well. तो मैं समझ सकती हूँ brides तो अपना एक अलग perspective लेके आती हैं आपके पास. But how did you handle brides की mama or brides की bestie?
All thanks to social media. Everyone has a preconceived notion. I want this. This is how I want to look. So most of the time, people have references. All their relatives, bridesmaids, all have a strong reference. This is what we are wearing and this is what we want. So if they're clear in their thoughts, it makes our task very easy, and we just help them with the choices. But just in case if they are clueless, they have no idea how to style it. So of course, like I style it, or I have a team who guide them. What's the trend? What's the best that will suit them or their outfit? And sometimes it's a task. Like if the person is confused, then just to help them make up their mind and get them to finalize something. And sometimes it's a cakewalk. If they just listen to us or follow our choices, then it's easier also. So it's a mixed thing.
So you have to handle everything according to the preferences of the client.
We always go according to the client's preference. We never force our choices on them. We just let the client be like themselves.
True.
Just
That's the major thing which an entrepreneur should follow.
yes, always listen to your customers. Always. They are going to guide you.
तो इसी से मुझे एक और चीज याद आई कि क्या कभी कोई Pinterest बोर्ड उठा के लाया आपके पास कि हमको
Yes,
सेम
many
करना
times,
चाहिए?
many times. See, sometimes we have it. In most of the times we have it because we have huge collection. Most of the times we have what they're looking for. But sometimes if we don't, we customize it.
Okay.
We are known for the customization. Like it's ages is like you say it and we deliver it.
That's so amazing. And we also see the post or the jewelry over social media when you showcase your brand. So उसमें ना I have seen that there is always a mix of culture, traditions along with the modern
Yeah.
scenarios which are happening. तो
Yeah.
वो आपके पास एक हमेशा blend होता है.
हाँ.
मॉडर्न ज्वेलरी को हमेशा जो हमारी ट्रेडिशन ज्वेलरी होती है आप उसे एक मॉडर्न टच के साथ रिप्रेजेंट करते
Yes.
हो.
Yeah.
So AGs में you are the inspiration, you are the designer of the jewelries which you are representing. तो हम देखते हैं कि आप कुंदन ज्वेलरीज, टेम्पल ज्वेलरीज और जितनी भी ट्रेडिशनल ज्वेलरीज होती हैं उनको आप एक मॉडर्न मिक्स, एक मॉडर्न टच के साथ अपने कस्टमर्स को प्रेजेंट करते हो. सो व्हाट्स द स्टोरी बिहाइंड दैट?
See, there are two aspects actually. One is like the traditional jewelry, like the kundan jewelry, the polki jewelry, they are forever. So I don't like to play with them. Of course, like if you give a kundan polki necklace with a deep neckline, it automatically becomes modern. That is what the trend is nowadays. So just giving twist to jewelry is like having fusion jewelry. Like mixing and matching. Like if you mix kundan with semi-precious or natural beads, so then you're adding fusion. You're giving twist to traditional jewelry. And of course, it matters how you style it. What are you pairing it up with? So sometimes we've seen a lot of celebrities wearing very like traditional jewelry with a modern outfit, and it works. It really works. So it's just how you style it.
Yes, and I have also seen कि आजकल वो ट्रेडिशनल ज्वेलरी का जो एरा है वो वापस से आ गया है.
Yes.
इंडो वेस्टर्न हो चाहे वो एक ट्रेडिशनल लहंगा ही क्यों ना हो, people are wearing those
Yeah, traditional
traditional
pieces.
things with
Yes.
everything.
Yes. It's always there. Tradition never goes out of fashion.
Yeah, that's so true. And चाहे वो बनारसी साड़ी ही क्यों ना,
Yes.
it
it's
is
again.
always going to be a forever thing.
Yes.
तो जब हम बात करते हैं आप along with traditional jewelry, आप western jewelry, hair accessories and your favorites are the polki bags which you design.
Potli bags.
Potli
Yeah.
bags.
Yes.
So how do you design it along with अभी जो traditions का तो हमने बात किया, but अब धीरे धीरे ये जो generation आ रही है वो थोड़ा सा इंडो वेस्टर्न की तरफ जा
Yes.
रही
The minimal look.
मिनिमल लुक.
Yes, so actually, see, AGs has always been associated with weddings, with brides. So, in fact, we want to break that thing now. So that's why we are coming up with one more store. So, of course, we are known for the wedding jewelry, but we specialize in hair accessories also. And now we have a proper store. We are launching it in a week's time, where we have Western jewelry for all young generation, and we have exclusive hair accessory store now, and the store deals in like funky chunky bracelets, delicate neck pieces, hair bands. So that is there, so that people are like AGs is no more now only for weddings. AGs is forever now. So you don't have to wait for occasion to come to AGs now. You can come anytime and
Because everything is available.
now
at
it
your
is, yeah. Now you can, of course, get the full Western range also.
That is so amazing. And इसी के साथ मुझे एक और क्वेश्चन आया कि भोपाल में तो आप एक फैबुलस जॉब कर रही हैं since 2009.
Yes.
आगे AGs को और कैसे विजन में आप आगे बढ़ाना चाहते हैं?
Actually, we've already taken one step ahead in that front. So we've launched our website. It's been 3 years now. So we have aegisjewelry.com. So we are targeting not only India but international audience also, and we are doing very well there. So this major agenda is to get Aegis bigger, like make Aegis into a global brand. So we are just working towards that. And of course, we are doing very well internationally also and in Indian market also. So Aegis is now becoming a global brand.
Global brand.
Yes.
And our best wishes that Aegis should one day reach on one of the top jewelry brands.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
इतनी powerful personality हैं आप, and you're a super mom, you're a wife, you are a daughter-in-law, you are a daughter. तो business के साथ, this is the questions for all the women entrepreneurs who are handling their family and business together. So how do you blend that balance with business?
Actually, I would say you'll have to prioritize. See, sometimes you'll miss on many fronts. Sometimes you're not there for some family function. You're not there for your daughter when she needs you the most. It happens. But again, just follow your passion. Things will fall in place. You'll have to learn. It comes with experience. So gradually you'll learn to balance, although it is never balanced. To be honest, it's never balanced. It's just with time, with experience, you learn to prioritize. That's it.
So, because क्या होता है ना, whenever we talk about a woman, obviously ये एक बहुत starting से एक चीज़ चलती आ रही है कि women से बहुत सारी expectations होते हैं that you have to handle this, you have to handle kids, you have to handle family, सारी चीज़ें. But अब धीरे-धीरे जो scenario change हो रहे हैं, because of the support of the family, because of the support of the friends, colleagues and your loved ones, तो वो एक ट्रेंड ना मुझे ऐसा लगता है चेंज हो रहा है एंड वुमेन्स अब हर जगह अपना एक
of course
criteria बना रही हैं.
In my case also, my family has been very supportive. Be it my mother-in-law, my husband, my daughter, they all have been a very, very strong support system for me, always.
So true. And कभी ऐसा हुआ कि family expectations आपसे family ने expectations रखी हो तो आपको उसकी वजह से कभी-कभी ऐसे burnout feel हुआ हो?
Expectations से तो of course होता है कई बार, but वैसे I am never burnout. You
Never
call me,
available.
no, you call me 3 o'clock at night, I am available. Never burnout.
So this is workaholic.
Yes, I am.
You are
You can say that. Yes. Everyone knows that I'm a workaholic. All my family members or my clients, they know Gunjan ko 2 baje bhi bolenge na to she is available.
Apart from workaholic, this is also your dedication and love towards your brand.
Yes, towards my work, towards my brides, towards my clients. I love them all.
That's so amazing. And आपकी daughter को हमने देखा है pages पे बहुत बार. You usually use her for the brand shoots.
Yes, gradually I'm trying to get into the Aegis little bit, like although she's very young, so I'm just trying to get her into this.
So you are an inspiration for her also because she is seeing you build the brand in a more precise way. तो वो भी उस चीज़ को understand करती है.
बिल्कुल कर रही है. Hopefully she loves what I love.
That is so amazing and that is a mother-daughter bond.
Yes, very true.
So amazing. बात करते हैं हम फैमिली के सपोर्ट की. आपके साथ फैमिली का सपोर्ट एक पिलर की तरह हमेशा साथ रहा.
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
तो कभी जब ऐसे ब्रेक डाउन होता है या कभी बिकॉज इट्स नॉर्मल व्हेन वी हैंडल अ बिजनेस इट्स नॉर्मल फॉर अस टू गो थ्रू ब्रेक डाउन्स. कभी कभी चीज़ें मैनेज नहीं हो पाती हैं. So आपकी फैमिली उस टाइम आपको किस तरीके से सपोर्ट करती है?
Like I would say my husband is very supportive. Like I would say like half of the task, like whether it's accounts or taxation or tagging, that is all Sumit takes care of, or the management. So whenever it comes to managerial part, so I have a very strong support system of my husband. And of course when it comes to choices or maybe picking the right designs or making something new, or whether it's handling social media, Instagram, then no one questions me. It's like whatever I want to do. But of course, things happen sometimes. You feel low, but of course, family is always there to bring me back to my passion and my energy. Yes.
So true. And you deal in handmade jewelries.
Yes,
Because that's the major thing which you are doing, handmade jewelry.
we have mix of all kind of jewelries actually. So there's handmade also, then there is a fusion also, of course. Then handmade basically means made by Indian artists.
Right.
That is what handmade means.
Okay.
And nowadays, those kind of jewelries are very rare. So of course, we have a segment for handmade jewelry as well. And there are many jewelries that we procure also. So it's just a matter of the choice.
Right. So you design handmade jewelries, and you obviously help the Indian local artist also to make these types of jewelries which you particularly design for the handmade segment.
Yes.
तो उसमें जब आप local Indian artist के साथ काम करते हैं, तो how do you make them aware about the designs, the preparation and everything?
Actually, see, they are very skilled, but they need a guidance. Like what is modern trend.
Right.
So just so the tricky part is to make them do what you have a vision. So like you have something in your mind. So it's very difficult to explain them what exactly we are thinking. So to tell them and explain them is a big task. To get them understand what today clients want or what I am looking for. So it's just that thing. Otherwise, they are very trained in their skills. But just to give them an idea about our choices is a task, like what we are looking for.
Right. So because they have the idea, they have the knowledge of making those jewelries or kundans and everything, but the awareness about the design
Latest
process.
trends.
Yeah.
Latest trends or what is our vision. That is very difficult because see, nowadays everything is computerized. So either you can just have the design on the computer and show it to them, because verbally it gets very difficult. So but in handmade case, handmade jewelry, that's not the case.
Right.
It's all verbal.
Verbal.
Yes.
So आपने बात की vision की. So AG's का vision when it comes, तो कैसे आपने AG's का vision design किया?
Actually ना विजन वही था हमारा कि हमको भोपाल में बेस्ट ज्वेलरी लेकर आनी है. तो we started with Bhopal and then we never thought of opening more stores actually, because it's a difficult task to handle multiple stores, because then you don't have access to all the places to have like personal presence everywhere. So the vision again to expand was coming online.
Okay.
So that's the vision we are following right now.
And I guess COVID ने इसका बहुत एक advantage उस time दिया.
Yes. That pushed our vision even hard. Like maybe it was supposed to come later, but it came early because of that.
Right.
Yes.
So amazing. And you are really designing beauty of emotions for the people there. And तो जब हम emotions की बात करते हैं, तो ऐसी कोई इंसिडेंट या ऐसा कोई सिनेरियो आपको याद आ रहा हो जहाँ पर आपने कुछ ज्वेलरी एक ब्राइड या किसी के लिए डिजाइन की हो?
There are many moments actually. There are many. Actually, sometimes what happens is like a bride has certain vision. So we help them out. Sometimes they don't have any thing in mind, and we design the look. And when finally the bride is ready, and then she gets so many compliments, and then when she visualizes her in the mirror, she sees herself and she's so happy. And when she comes back to us, the feedback that they give makes our day. So this has happened many times. The feedbacks that we get from our beautiful brides, they love us. And so do we. So when these kind of emotional moments happen many times, when they are so thankful for the look that we've given them, because that's their most special day.
Yeah.
And of course in online, when we I mostly have personal connect, like I have continuous watch on the messages that are coming from our online customers. So the moment they receive the parcel, and then when immediate, we don't ask for the review, but the review comes itself, that's our biggest gift.
Wow.
When we don't ask for the review, but we already have the review. Sometimes customers are making videos of our product and sharing and asking us to post it on Instagram. That is what makes us happy. So there are so many moments of these kinds that actually.
एंड मुझे लगता है कि यही सारी चीज़ें हमें और ज़्यादा पुश करती हैं टू वर्क मोर हार्डर,
even more harder.
every day.
Yes, just to make every client happy.
And customers का preference and satisfaction is one of the important things.
Most important thing. Customers are always right.
That is so amazing. Your journey is so amazing. तो जैसे कि हम देखते हैं कि you are solely handling the AGS का पूरा, चाहे वो ज्वेलरी डिज़ाइनिंग हो, चाहे वो क्लाइंट डीलिंग हो, चाहे वो इंस्टाग्राम का कंटेंट हो, या फिर ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म को हैंडल करना हो, तो आप अकेले वो पूरा संभाल लेती हैं या फिर कोई और हेल्पिंग हैंड भी आपके साथ है?
नहीं, I have a lot of helping hands actually. Like in terms of like team, I would say, so I have a wonderful team, but my family, my husband, like Sumit, has been very supportive, and he takes care of so many things. Like when it comes to accounts, tagging, management, staff salaries, all the managerial part, that he takes care of. And of course, I have a lot of teammates to help me. But of course, the guiding light, like I am the guiding light, and when it comes to choices and how to shoot, what to post, like what kind of jewelry we are going to make, what new collection we are launching, then whole and soul I do it. But of course, my husband has been very supportive, and he takes care of many things.
That is so amazing. And आपने बात की यहाँ पर choices की, तो इतनी सुंदर जो choice है आपकी, कुंदन ज्वेलरी और टेम्पल ज्वेलरी और वेराइटीज ऑफ ज्वेलरी जो आप डील कर रहे हैं, तो उसके पीछे जो choices में इंस्पिरेशन आई है वो कहाँ से आई है?
Actually, I strongly believe that we inherit choices from your surroundings or from our elderlies. So my choice has been strongly influenced by my mom.
Okay.
And then my mom-in-law also. They both have fabulous choices.
Wow.
And so, and somehow, and of course nowadays it's also social media. You become so aware about the things. So you inherit your choice from your surroundings.
Right.
So both my moms have been a very big inspiration in whatever choices I have, that I hopefully everyone likes.
And I guess that's the most important thing, क्योंकि जब आप अपनी मॉम से या फिर आप अपनी कोई भी एल्डरली इंस्पिरेशन से जब आप लेते हो, तो उनका टेस्ट और हमारा टेस्ट जब मैच होता है, तो वो एक बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल ब्लेंड ऑफ प्रोडक्ट बन
Yes,
जाता है.
it comes sometimes very in a different way.
That is so amazing. So now with this, we will be playing a small rapid fire round with you, जिसका नाम होने वाला है Quick Sparkle with Gunjan. So let's get started. सबसे पहले तो what is your forever love, gold or silver?
Silver.
May I know the reason?
Actually, not as a metal, gold or silver, just the finish. Silver is more modern.
Yeah. Like you.
I know.
So amazing. And one celebrity whose jewelry design or jewelry wearing you like the most?
Kiran Kher. Again, timeless, evergreen beauty.
She is
She's
so
got-
powerful.
And the way she matches the jewelry, the kind of jewelry she wears, I think she has one of the most beautiful collection of jewelry.
And मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि वो बहुत ट्रेडिशनली उसको वेयर करते हैं, बी इट कुंदन, बी इट टेम्पल
She
ज्वेलरी,
बहुत अच्छे से कैरी करती हैं jewelry, and her collection is amazing. Her choice is very good.
so nice. इसी के साथ what do you like the most, customer dealing और jewelry designing?
Both.
तो कभी ऐसा लगा कि दोनों clash हो रहे हैं?
No, not really.
Not really.
Not really.
Very nice. Sunday binge or Sunday work mode on?
Work mode on, always. Always on work mode.
So this shows your dedication, and you are a workaholic woman entrepreneur.
I love working.
So amazing. And this conversation is वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट बिकॉज इसमें ट्रेडिशंस हैं, इसमें आपकी लाइफ जर्नी है, इसमें आपकी पूरी डिज़ाइनिंग के पीछे की इंस्पिरेशन है, द थिंग विच कीप्स यू गोइंग। इसी के साथ लास्ट में आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क यू one mantra, one golden mantra which you want to give to our audience or to the girls or to the entrepreneurs, those who are watching out you, कि लाइफ का एक गोल्डन रूल जो आप अपने आप को हमेशा फॉलो करती हैं टू कीप गोइंग।
Love your work. Be passionate for whatever you are doing. Just love your work.
That is so amazing.
Right.
Love and passion. So thank you so much for your lovely time. Thank you for sharing the journey of AGs with us, and we wish you all the best for your future upcoming projects as well.
Thank you so much, and I wish the same for you.
Thank you. So जैसे कि आज आप सभी लोगों ने देखा कि AGs जो भोपाल का एक बहुत ही रिनाउंड ज्वेलरी ब्रांड है, उसके पीछे का विजन जब गुंजन मैम ने डिज़ाइन किया तो उन्होंने अपने पैशन, अपने डेडिकेशन और अपने बहुत ही प्यारे से इमोशन के साथ एक ऐसे ब्रांड को डिज़ाइन किया जिससे आज भोपाल में हर एक घर में एक बहुत ही सुंदर कहानी लिखी जा रही है। उनकी लाइफ में बहुत सारी चैलेंजेस आई, उन्होंने बहुत टाइम उन्हें ऐसा फील हुआ कि शी शुड गो विथ वॉट एवर थिंग्स आर कमिंग ऑन अ वे, लेकिन नहीं, उन्होंने अपने आप में हमेशा एक डेडिकेशन रखा, उन्होंने हमेशा एक पैशन का पाथ फॉलो किया विच इज़ स्टिल अलाइव इन हर, एंड इसी के साथ वो AGs को एक भोपाल में ही नहीं बल्कि इंडिया एंड इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे भी एक बहुत बड़ा ब्रांड बनाने वाली हैं। सो आई होप आज मैम की जर्नी और ज्वेलरी की इतनी सारी बातें सुनने के बाद आप सभी लोगों को भी एक पैशन और मोटिवेशन का एहसास हुआ होगा, और ऐसे ही और भी इंटरेस्टिंग एपिसोड्स के लिए आप लोग हमारे चैनल कैप्टिव सेंसेस बाय नयन को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। प्लीज़ प्रेस द बेल आइकन टू गेट द लेटेस्ट एपिसोड्स अपडेट। Follow us on Instagram to get updates on our latest episodes. Do not forget to follow AG's Jewelry on Instagram as well as their website www.agsjewelry.com. And until then, let's captivate your senses.